Happy Halloween, everyone, and welcome to your virtual Halloween party. Let me show you around. Here you can be whatever you like. A pirate, a pumpkin, or a bird. You can draw on the walls, and nobody gets upset. You can watch a movie with friends, or you can go trick-or-treating. And you get to decide where you want to be, whether it's here, or here, or here. So let me show you how to get started. Just go to hubs.mozilla.com on your computer, tablet, phone, or VR headset. Choose a scene for your Halloween party. Create a link to share with your friends, and then they can join your private room. And now for the fun part. Choose your avatar. You can change it as many times as you want. Decorate your space. Fill the room with your favorite videos, gifts, or whatever you find online. Hubs is limitless and completely customizable. Take a selfie, or just run around and explore with your friends. It's free, so go have fun. Happy Halloween, everyone.